think I'd be lying if I said that I had figured out work-life balance, and I don't know that that's achievable for me. I am passionate to a fault about many things, and I don't know that I totally want to change that about myself. My name is Sei Cho. I live in Los Angeles. I'm a writer, a cook, and I run a community-driven grocery delivery service called Soon Mini. It happened really organically. It was really not deliberate at all. In March of 2020, when we all started locking down, I started delivering meals to some close friends, and then quickly realized that people didn't actually need prepared meals because what they had was an excess of time. And so what they needed was ingredients that they could trust, and food that they felt good about, which would create time for them to cook with their families. In the beginning, I was just working out of Google Docs, which wasn't sufficient at a point. I had a friend who was a coder and was actually able to design Minimart, a system that was really engineered for my needs. Technology creates space for me to explore the other things. Now that I've built a system that I can easily translate to someone else, they can order fulfill for me while I'm working remotely. Writing's so slow and takes up so much room and time. You have to protect that really vulnerable space. You have to create an environment that feels conducive to writing. Food is almost the opposite. Food is immediate, food is perishable, food is fast, and so technology helps me bridge that gap. There would be no writing practice for me if I didn't have that aspect to supplement. Something great about technology is that we can create lots of food for lots of people and distribute it in mass ways. But if we go too much in that direction, you start to become divorced from the idea of real food at all. When you go one step back and think about the production of food, it's almost the opposite. It's about watching something grow. It's about appreciating the slowness of nature. Both of these things have to work in tandem in order to create a more functional reality for us. To me, it is the most humbling, simple thing to watch something grow, to take care of it, to know that something is delicate at a certain stage, to foster it, and also that you have very little control over it. You can't speed up nature. It needs time to replenish most of all. And we keep taking and taking and taking without considering that it also needs to recharge. It requires patience, because if you don't have the patience to watch something grow, if you don't have the patience to go up to a farm and see what it actually takes to grow food, then yeah, you're not going to appreciate it. Nature has its own plan. When we try to override it, it's never going to be as good.